Yo, what up, squad? It's your boy C's from theCeesoflife.com. Although I didn't stay out that late, I ended up sleeping in and missing my workout this morning, man. I guess my body just needed that rest. So I didn't really set an alarm to wake me up. So I was just like, if I wake up, I wake up. And 10 hours later, your boy woke up. So missed my workout this morning. Probably gonna try to do some stretching and rolling at home and see if I could sneak a workout in later this afternoon, but I'm not going to press it. You know, there's still the week to get them in. Also got to create some invoices today because as those checks are starting to roll in, you know, you got to account for them, right? So got to like send clients, some invoices. I don't know how to create them, so I'm going to default to my wife and see if she can help a brother out. And then ship that over to some clients, man, and get to work this week. This is going to be like another busy week. Basically, every week is busy. You know, it doesn't. But when you're like grinding like this, you kind of gotta prioritize the high level shit first, and then just trickle down to yo stuff, which is these vlogs, right? I gotta put what's getting me the most income, and then boom, 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 trickle down, and then get to these vlogs. But these vlogs are amazing, man. I got another subscriber, woohoo! You know, so I think we're like 44 deep, right? So I'm loving it. Any way I could help you guys, just let me know, man. I am at your service. Whether it's entrepreneurship, personal development, fitness, we cover it all on this channel, man. And you're just watching a live documentary of me going through this growth process. So I would love to hear like what you guys got going on. What are your wins? What are your struggles? Let's just help the community out and help us grow, because you know, we are interdependent human beings. We cannot have success without one another, right? So let's just strive for greatness and help each other reach that level that we're aspiring to reach. Anyway, I'm about to drive up to this client's house and get a quick little training session in, and then yeah, get back home. Today we're celebrating wifey's birthday with dinner and a show in Cambridge, so that's something awesome to look forward to later as well. So without any further ado, let your boy get back to work. All right, I'll holler at you at the next clip. August is sick, got a little fever, so not too much activity going on in the Jean's house. We're gonna try to nurse him back to health. Yeah, where you wanna go? All the kids are sick that's in his group, so the Montessori play group is canceled today. So what can we do today, buddy? Huh? Where you trying to go? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Want some food? Let's grab you some lunch. We got that paleo. Little mama hooked it up. And I got a little bit of a stomach ache. I don't know if it's something that I ate or didn't eat, but we'll see. It's lunchtime. Yo, I spent majority of my day bedridden, man. Like I have like this intense stomach bug that just snuck up on me. Literally thought that, you know, I was just being over grinding, but yo, whatever took hold of me, man, just had me sit on the bench for today. Anyway, I'm dressed up. I'm going to go and take wifey out to dinner and a show, and yeah, I'm still mustering it up. She couldn't find any last minute replacements, so I just like, hey, let me just soldier on and just go. You know, maybe some bubbly or some ginger ale, some good food would just definitely help me settle my stomach. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much been my day, man. Just laying in bed, and then took myself onto the couch, so like crawled myself to the couch and watched Boss Baby with my son, who is also kind of under the weather as well. So we kind of just camped out on the couch all day, man. Whew, shit. I need some water. I just need to stay hydrated because this week definitely gonna be lifting a ton, and yeah, I need to get back to regular scheduled programming. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and let's make this a good week. Peace.